Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to change Payee on YNAB application. To change your Payee in YNAB, the first thing to do is to open the YNAB mobile application, or you can also open up YNAB on a web browser. After you're inside the main home page, click on the Accounts button at the bottom of the screen. Select an account you would like to find the transactions on. Now, select a transaction with the Payee you would want to change. Once you do that, go to the Payee tab and then enter your desired and now enter the details to your desired name. Tap on Create right after you type in a name and you will then be able to change your Payee on this particular transaction. If you want to make any further edits, go ahead and do it and finally tap on Save. And that is how you will be able to change Payee on YNAB. That's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.